Good morning, guys. I got a 2011 BMW 335i. I have a problem with the crankshaft position sensor. This is the big question. It's not the sensor. It is the crankshaft position sensor wheel reductor. It's right here. See here, 1 second. You see, it's little plastic, something like that. This is the reductor. See, that one's easy to take it out. That's the car not started. That's the problem. Right here. Right here. Where's my hand? It's not good. You need to get in the BMW parts or something like that. The crankshaft sensor is, hold on 1 second. I want to really clear the light. Okay, I can clear here. This is the crankshaft position sensor. They read the spacer crankshaft position wheel. This is the spacer here. This is is little metal and little plastic around here. What's my hand? You see here? It's plastic here, everything. When that one is bad, the car not started too. So that's the problem with this car. I show you now. I find the computer this sensor. So I show you now. 1 second. Okay, you see what it? Okay, it's here. You see, this seal is coming. That's what he's talking about. You see, it's here too. You can see it's more easy the name. Crankshaft, reluctor. You see here? This is the part. What he's talking about. Okay. Good luck, guys. I hope this video help you guys. Thank you.